Most Terraform beginners hardcode everything. Here's how modules actually accept inputs. To accept input, a Terraform module declares variable blocks inside its own .f files. Each block gives the input a name. You write the keyword variable, then the name in quotes and open a brace. Inside, you can add a description to document what the variable does. When you call a module from your root configuration, you use a module block. Inside it, you pass values by writing the variable name, an equals sign, and the value. So if the module declares a variable called region, you'd write region equals quote useast1. Every argument in the module block maps directly to one of the module's declared variables. Variables can have type constraints: string, number, bool, list, map, or object. Adding a type attribute to your variable block tells Terraform what kind of value to expect and gives you clearer error messages if something doesn't match. A variable without a default is required. Callers must always provide a value. Add a default attribute to make it optional. This lets you build reusable modules with sensible fallbacks while still allowing full customization. Declare variable blocks in the module, pass values in the module call, and use type constraints and defaults to build flexible, reusable code. Follow for more Terraform tips. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.